Corrida de Toros, Lightning Dollar Link. The major's only $5.52. I think it just hit. We got $200 in. Let's see if we can snag a bonus. All right, the bull's wild. We're at Aria today. And our luck's been like a roller coaster today, up and down. We need 6 of those capes, not 5. Oh, 250 minor. We need 3 of those cartoon character bulls. Okay. We're feeling lucky. Let's hope the bull is. That was 12. 3. Do it. Three. Oh, I saw the major. Of course, I see the major a lot, just never on the screen with enough stuff. 1. Hope y'all are having a good day today. If I hadn't already said that. Y'all give us a thumbs up for luck. All right, bully, bully, bully. Don't be a bully. 3. Oh, do that too. Oh, 20, 40, 60, 80 bucks right there. We just had breakfast at Salt and Ivy. It was so good. One more. I had lobster toast. And Ricky had his normal 3-egg breakfast with bacon and sausage. All right, bull, we need a bonus really bad. Man. Two. Come on, 2. Whew. 2. There we go. That's a good one. 25 bucks. All right, let's go. Some big numbers. Woo, that's a good one. Very good. Nice. Don't stop. Look at that. Ooh.
Let's go ahead and just get the grandmother at it.
Mini, 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 minor, minor, minor. Major, major, major. Come on, don't stop now.
Oh, that did get some good ones.
Yeah, big numbers. right. Last spin. You're gonna save it. Save it. Okay. Wow. Look at this. That's pretty. Oh wow, almost 100 times my bet. Thank you, bully, bully, bully. You were not a bully. Look at that. 242.50. Nice. All right. I'll give it
another one just like that.
I know, right? Oh,
no.
And that one. Okay. Let's see if he's on a streak. These bulls are streaky. 12.50. You want to do that bonus? Oh, it got quiet. Oh, 2. Three. Oh, 3. It did it again. Look.
I mean, it's just trying to pay you.
I love you, bull. Sorry, Ricky. Oh.
Too fat.
Wow. $150. Three. All right, I'm cashing out. I've added $100. Let's move on, see if we can find something else to make some money. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. Hey guys, Dee Dee and Ricky here. We're on Lightning Dollar Link Corrida de Toros. Oh, there's your progressives. I have to get the line back up here. Okay, I got a ticket for 151 in here. Let's turn on 2 cent. $2. Bull is wild. Alright, we need 3 of these cartoon characters here to bonus. Oh, 3. We need 6 capes. That mini's 20. We're at Aria today. We may hit the Cortez this afternoon. We haven't decided. I'm on 2. Well, there's our 2. Come on, bonus. These games we've determined are a little streaky. They're dry for a while, and then they bonus a few times, and then they go dry. All right, one more. We got it on the $3. Oh, can't see all that, can you? Okay. Sorry about that. All right, come on, Kate. Ooh, $100. Ooh, that's a little loud. Okay, come on, some more words. Anything? Uh-oh. Oh no, don't stop now. Don't stop. Oh, shucks. All right, 133 though, not bad.
Standing a bonus.
Oh, I am, okay, I forgot. Do it again? Oh, bull. I got blocked. Retrigger. Retrigger? 4. Come on, 4. Do it again. Oh. Okay. We got 9s. 158. Very nice. All right, let's see if what we said holds true. That it streaks a little bit. I mean, it's not immediate, but you can definitely see those bonuses coming a little quicker every now and then. On the same denom. But y'all know I like to change. All right. 3. That was a really good bonus though. Come on, do it again. Alright. Let's go to 1 cent. Do those. Bull. Hope killer. 5 on the screen. 3, 2. Oh, saw the major. It's 578. I got a 5 here. Bulls? Okay. Oh, nothing went all the way through. Oh, 35. Very nice. Come on, one more bull. Oh. One more. One more. Oh, you had all these opportunities over here. Oh, major again. All right, let's go to 5 cent. One more. Oh, I saw it go by. 3. Bull, one more, one more. Oh, that miner's 250. Oh, nothing? You gonna take all your bonus back? Well, this one wasn't on a streak, babe. Come on. 3. How about a bonus? 3. Okay, let's go back to 2 cent. That's where we saw our bonus. All right, we're almost back where we started here. ones. At least we're getting a little bit of line hit here and there. Till I said that. Bull. All right, we're back where we started. 3. Come on, 3, 2. This bull has gotten quiet. By the bull. Okay, $6. Do it. Man. I think we're gonna have to move on, babe. Oh, just when I thought we were gonna have to move on, we get a bonus. That's a good one. All right, that mini's 20. How about a major? Minors. Oh no. Save it. Wow, that was the quickest bonus ever. You've been a bully today. All right. Okay. $11.60. 2. I thought he was going to make up for that last bonus. Bulls. Alright guys, I'm cashing out even. We put in 150. I may have made a few pennies. I don't know. I don't remember exactly what it was. Let's move on. Find something else to make some money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you're feeling lucky. Have a good one.